Tesla has officially reached a $1 trillion market cap, becoming only the 5th US company in modern history to do so. The other companies are Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and Alphabet. It's taken Tesla 18 years to achieve a $1 trillion valuation, which is faster than all of the other companies that I mentioned. It took Google 21 years, Amazon 24 years, Apple 42 years, and Microsoft 44 years to hit the $1 trillion valuation mark. Love them or hate them, Tesla has changed the automotive industry like the iPhone changed the cell phone industry. But what is driving Tesla's share price higher? As of right now, Tesla's stock is trading well above $1,000 a share, and as you can see on Google Finance, it officially has a $1 trillion market cap, which is really cool to see. But what sets Tesla apart from the competition? I mean, unlike in years past, there is now a lot of competition in the electric car industry, and that competition is only expected to grow in the years to come. But even with the emergence of new electric vehicle models from just about every manufacturer, Tesla continues to dominate the market and their share price is continuing to climb. Well, in this video, I want to share 5 reasons why Tesla's share price is hitting all-time highs. But before we do that, I want to mention that this channel, The Beat of Business, is all about helping you save, invest, and grow your money, as well as discussing and dissecting current economic trends and events. Now, I spend a lot of time researching for these videos, so if you could do me a quick favor and hit that like and subscribe button, it would be greatly appreciated. If you follow Tesla's stock price or if you own Tesla stock, you know it's been a roller coaster of a ride. Just in January of 2020, Tesla stock was trading at under $100 a share, but now if we take a look at this one-year chart, 1 year ago today on October 26th, 2020, Tesla stock was trading at around $420 a share. Then on January 26th, 2021, it hit what was then an all-time high of just over $883 a share, but then something interesting happened. Tesla stock started to slide, and the Tesla haters came out of the woodwork. Tesla's days are over. There is too much competition now in the EV space, and Tesla is going to lose crazy market share to new entrants. Tesla stock is way overpriced. It was bound to crash at some point. Well, since about August 17th of this year, when Tesla was trading at $665 a share, Tesla shares have been on an absolute tear, and today the stock is at an all-time high of just over $1,000 a share. And the reason that Tesla shares have been surging in recent months and weeks can be attributed to many different reasons, but in my opinion, there are 5 major factors that are driving up the share price. Reason number 1 is the HERTZ order. Now, rental car company HERTZ has ordered 100,000 Teslas as part of an ambitious plan to electrify its fleet. Now, according to the company, the first tranche of Tesla's Model 3 sedans will be available to rent from HERTZ in major US and European markets from early November. According to Bloomberg, the deal is the single largest order for electric vehicles and worth $4.2 billion in revenue to Tesla. And Hertz wasted no time launching a new ad campaign featuring Tom Brady. Here it is.
So you want EVs, you have come to the right place.
Is that Tom Brady?
Yeah. Comes in to recharge, get software updates, you know.
Let's go. Let's go.
Reason number 2 is record sales numbers. Now, Tesla has bucked the wider trend of declining auto sales brought on by the global chip shortage. And in the third quarter of this year, Tesla sold 241,300 cars, a total of 102,000 more vehicles than the same quarter last year. It's the most cars that Tesla has ever sold in a quarter. And for some added context and perspective, the company sold 367,500 cars in all of 2019. General Motors, on the other hand, sold 446,997 cars in the third quarter of this year, which is a bigger number than Tesla, but it's a 33% drop from the same period last year. Reason 3 is analyst price targets. Now, I usually take analyst price targets with a grain of salt, but just recently, Morgan Stanley analyst Adam Jonas increased his 12-month price target on Tesla shares from $900 to $1,200 a share. Now, his bullishness stems from a view that the company may achieve significant manufacturing achievements over the next 12 months in terms of both volume and costs. In recent weeks and months, there has been a lot of bullish sentiment about Tesla, but there is also a lot of bearish sentiment that still remains out on Wall Street. But for now, the bullish sentiment is definitely prevailing. Reason number 4 is new factories. Now, currently Tesla builds cars in California and in Shanghai, China. And if you didn't know this, the Tesla Model 3 and the Model Y are so in demand right now that if you ordered one today, it could take up to a year to get your order fulfilled. But Tesla has an answer for that because they currently have new plants being built in Texas and in Berlin, Germany, that will eventually allow them to alleviate some of their production constraints. These new plants will not only allow them to fulfill existing orders, but it will also allow them to build the much anticipated Cybertruck, the Tesla semi-truck, and the Tesla Roadster, all of which haven't been released partially due to manufacturing constraints. Reason 5 is pricing power. Now, ladies and gentlemen, Tesla has more pricing power than any other auto manufacturer on this planet. And if you're not familiar with what pricing power is, pricing power refers to the rise in the price of a company's products while maintaining its demand. If a company does not have pricing power, an increase in prices would lessen the demand for the products. So a good example of an industry that has pricing power is the travel industry. I mean, when demand for certain hotels or certain airfare routes goes up, so do the prices, and demand is usually not impacted. Historically speaking, automotive companies don't really have pricing power, but Tesla does, and they just showcased that by increasing the price of their Tesla Model S and Tesla Model X by $5,000. Now, as a consumer, it sucks, but as an investor, companies that have pricing power, especially automotive companies, become much more attractive, especially in this inflationary environment that we are in right now. These are my top 5 reasons why Tesla stock is up at all-time highs. Now, I know the media is really pushing the agenda that the stock is up strictly due to the HERTZ deal. Now, while the HERTZ deal definitely doesn't hurt Tesla's stock price, the stock is up for more reasons than just that. And aside from Tesla's new factories, the HERTZ deal, and analysts putting a higher price target on the stock, the real reason why Tesla is as successful as it is because of its products and its business model. Unlike other car manufacturers who sell through franchise dealerships, Tesla sells directly to consumers. It has created an international network of company-owned showrooms and galleries where you don't have to haggle on prices like you normally would trying to buy a car. And Tesla hardly spends any money on advertising. I mean, have you ever seen a Tesla ad while scrolling through your Instagram or your Facebook? And have you ever seen a Tesla ad while watching Monday Night Football? Nope, nada, zilch, zero. Tesla has also revolutionized the way that we service our cars with Tesla Rangers, which are mobile technicians who make house calls. And due to the fact that Tesla's update over the air, technicians can view and fix some problems without ever physically touching the car. And then let's not forget about Tesla's supercharger network, which has grown to be the gold standard in the electric vehicle charging world. Now, you can buy other electric cars, but you won't get Tesla's awesome supercharger network, which is hands down the best in the world. And then you have amazing products like the Model S Plaid and the upcoming Tesla Roadster, which are remarkable feats of engineering to say the least. If you know, you know. So the fact that Tesla broke the $1 trillion market cap today doesn't really surprise me. Now, if you know me, you know that I've been championing this stock and this company for a long time. I know that there are some long-term Tesla shareholders out there, and today was a good day, and I think there will be many more to come in the future. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to call it a video. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all next time. And please don't forget to like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Beat of Business.